A doctor wants to estimate the mean HDL cholesterol of all 20 to 29-year-old females. Part A, how many subjects are needed to estimate the mean HDL cholesterol within 2 points with 99% confidence, assuming S equals 13.4 based on earlier studies. Part B, suppose the doctor would be content with 95% confidence. We can compute the sample size by using StatCrunch or using the formulas in Table 5. First, let's use StatCrunch. In order to use StatCrunch, we need to find the confidence level, the standard deviation, and the width. We want 99% confidence, so the confidence level is 0.99. The standard deviation is 13.4. The width is twice the margin of error. We are told that we want to estimate the mean within 2 points, so the width is double that. So we double 2, so the width is 4. Now let's input these values into StatCrunch. Let's go to Stat, ZStats, one sample, power/sample size. And let's click on confidence interval width. The confidence level is 99%, so we will have 0.99. The standard deviation is 13.4. And the width is 4. And now press compute. So the sample size is 298. You'll notice that this value changes, but that's okay. And we get that the sample size is 298. Now let's look at Part B. For Part B, we want 95% confidence, so the confidence level is 0.95. The standard deviation is still 13.4, and the width is still double 2, which is 4. Now let's input these values. Let's go to Stat, ZStats, one sample, power/sample size. Click on confidence interval width. The confidence level now is 0.95. The standard deviation is still 13.4, and the width is still 4. Now press compute, and we get 173. And you'll notice that this value changes, but that's okay. And we get 173. Now let's compute the sample size by hand. In order to compute the sample size by hand, we will use the following formula. In order to use this formula, we need to find Z alpha over 2, S, and E. We can find Z alpha over 2 in Table 5, and because the level of confidence is 99%, the critical value, or Z alpha over 2, is 2.575. S is 13.4, and E is 2. Now let's substitute the values. Type this in your calculator, and you get approximately 297.65. Remember that whenever we compute a sample size, we always round up to the next integer, so the answer is 298. Now let's compute Part B. For Part B, we want 95% confidence, so we can find Z alpha over 2 on Table 5. And Z alpha over 2 is 1.96. S is still 13.4, and E is still 2. Now let's substitute the values. Type this into your calculator, and we get 172.45. Remember that every time we are computing a sample size, we always round up to the next integer, so the answer is 173.